Hey fight fans, welcome back to the Fight Book. In this video, I'm going to tell you about all the big fights and big events that is going to happen this weekend. Then it will be up to you which events you want to watch and which fights you want to miss. So without wasting time, let's start the video. This week is going to be awesome for boxing fans especially, but MMA fans are also not lonely. The week will start with Riyadh season and WBC card Boxing Grand Prix in Bollywood City, Riyadh. There are total 4 events of this Grand Prix with 4 weight classes, 32 men in each weight class. On Thursday, there is a featherweight tournament, Friday, super lightweight tournament, Saturday, middleweight tournament. Then on Sunday morning at 8 a.m. on DAS, there will be 32 heavyweight prospects that will collide against each other in this Riyadh season tournament. And some of the participants in this tournament are looking very promising. Anyway, Friday, April 8th will be started with Riyadh season super lightweight tournament at 8 a.m. on DAS. Then at 3 a.m. there is IBA Pro 2 card in Russia where 42-year-old former world champion Sergey Kovalev will return in his own country against the former title challenger Artur Mann in a cruiserweight bout. Then at 5 p.m. on ESPN2 on Friday, there is PFL 2025 World Tournament first round of their middleweight and lightweight tournament. The card will be headlined by a middleweight bout between Impa Kasangare versus Fabian Edwards, and the co-main event is a lightweight bout between last year's champion Ghazi Radabanov versus former UFC fighter Mark Dacasey. Then at 8 p.m., there is BKFC Fight Night Omaha on Thriller TV. Headlined by BKFC number 2 ranked middleweight Dakota Cochrane, who will be looking to get 5th straight win in front of his home crowd against Marcus Edwards, who is currently 3-0 in the BKFC. The co-main event is a welterweight bout where BKFC's number 5 ranked 4-0 Bryce Henry will face Derek Findlay, who is riding a 3-fight win streak. Then at the same time at 8 p.m. on DAS, there is Box Labs Night of Champions 10 in Orlando, Florida, headlined by a heavyweight bout where WBA number 5 ranked undefeated heavyweight Lanier Pero will be showcasing his skills in a showcase bout, and in the co-main event, WBA number 12 ranked 6-0 undefeated super lightweight Kevin Haler Brown will also be fighting in a showcase bout. Then Saturday will again begins with Riyadh season WBC Boxing Grand Prix at 8 a.m. on DAS, this time with 32 middleweight prospects. Then at 5 p.m. on DAS, there is Matchroom Smith vs. Germain card in Sheffield, Yorkshire, England. 17-0 WBC number 1 ranked Dalton Smith headlines his home city of Sheffield against Canadian Mateusz Germain, and this is also a showcase bout. Germain is not ranked by any organization. One of the undercard bout will see Josh Padley making his matchroom debut in front of his home crowd against undefeated Serbian Marko Kvitanovic. Josh Warrington will also be showcasing his skills in a showcase bout in the undercard. Then at 9 p.m. on DAS, there is Golden Boys Fight Night, Pandora vs. Badillo in Oceanside, California. The youngest undisputed boxing champion, Gabriela Pandora, will return to defend her undisputed flyweight titles versus IBF mandatory challenger Marilyn Badillo. In the co-main event, WBO number 2 ranked super welterweight Charles Conwell will be facing WBO number 3 ranked George Garcia Perez in a step-up fight which can make his way clear towards the title shot. In one of the undercard bouts, WBC number 4 ranked light heavyweight Alexander Gvozdyk will be present in a showcase bout. Then Saturday fights will end with this Golden Boy card, but this time Sunday is not empty. First, the Sunday morning will start with 32-man heavyweight tournament of Riyadh season WBC Boxing Grand Prix, and at the evening at 2 p.m. ET, there is Boxers card in Birmingham, England, light heavyweight rematch between WBC number 12 ranked Ben Whittaker versus Liam Cameron. It is sink or swim for Whittaker as he rematches Liam Cameron 6 months on from their controversial draw in Riyadh. Whittaker will have to silence the critics in front of his own people in West Midlands. One of the undercard bouts is a super middleweight bout where 19-0 undefeated super middleweight and IBF ranked number 7 Mark Jeffers will be present in a showcase bout. Another super middleweight Tyler Denny and heavyweight Frazier Clark will also be present on the card fighting in front of their own people. And that's all in this video. Now you know about every big fight and every big event that is going to happen in the fight world this week. So now you can decide which fights you want to watch, which fights you want to miss. Now do show your support and give your feedback in the comment section. Then you can do whatever you want.